Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Dell Alien 15. So first go to dell.com. Okay, this is Dell official website. Then click on support and then go to download and driver or download Alienware 15. Okay, wait few seconds to synchronize. So this is your laptop. Scroll down, click to find specific driver. You can check the automatically, so you can select the automatic means you can see the required driver and then you can install. If you require the custom driver, so select the driver on click, then select the first operating system, Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, Windows 11, so you can select the Windows 10, then click on categorize. Scroll down, this is all driver. Then slow down. This is audio driver, and just click to download. After that you can see it is start downloading in the download box. It will take some time, depend about your internet speed. Then you can see it is completed. Then just single click to open audio driver, and then yes for click or administrations, then click on install. Then next, I accept the condition, and then next, and then next and install. Then finished. Then guys, it is installed.